What is up, YouTube? I am doing a NASCAR sign-up video. Got the 06 truck of Todd Gilliland. That one is up for sign-ups. The 08 Mike Bliss. Number 3 of Mike Skinner. Looks like Dale Earnhardt's car. Number 6. Next truck is the 6 of Rick Cal or something like that. I can't read cursive, sorry. Next one is number 7 of, I can't remember his name off the top of my head. Robbie Gordon, no, Jeff Bonine. 19, I don't know who the driver is. It's just a show truck, but it's still gonna be my season. And the 21 of Toby Butler, Ortho, and the 23 of TJ Clark, Ford. That's up for signups. All of these trucks are up for signups. The 24 Johnny Spencer, I believe. Next truck is Sammy Swindell, I believe. Pretty nice truck. I like that one, to be honest. It's a nice, beautiful blue. 52. Of, I can't tell, I can't read cursive like I said. I'm doing my best here. I got cards, I can look at them later. And Steve McJurrin, I don't know how to pronounce that. And 295 trucks, which are show trucks. Yeah, these two are show trucks. This one is a Ryan Blaney truck, I believe. So these are all older. Sorry, they're gonna be older and newer. They're mixed in because I don't have many trucks. Next one's the 19 Daytona truck. Nothing to say about it. Just Daytona truck. Next one is a 27 of Chase Briscoe. Really like this truck. It's a newer one. Oops, not bad. The 88 of, man, dang it, I forgot his name. Yeah, my bad, I forgot his name. It's Matt Crafton. Yeah, that's right, Matt Crafton. Sorry, I forgot. Matt Crafton, nice truck. And last ones that I got is the 16 of Brett Moffitt. His Toyota truck. Confetti. It's the only one I got. And this one has championship truck. The blue indicates that he was in the playoffs, aka Chase for the Truck Series Championship. So those are the only two trucks for the 16 Brett Moffitt I have. So let me know in the comments what truck you want, and I will release this schedule later on in another video, probably with the other schedules that I will have. And this will be one sign up video I will have for my trucks. And the 06 will be in it. All of these trucks will be in it. But only one truck will be in a race for these two. One of each driver. So for Moffitt will be in this one and this one, but only one of these trucks will be raced at, like, for instance, this truck will be raced at Daytona, Atlanta, Las Vegas, then this one, Phoenix, Homestead. So there's only going to be one 16 truck in a race right now. If not familiar with NASCAR. So yeah, that's going to be it for the sign up video for my truck series. All those trucks, and let me know down in the comments which truck you want. And these two are the paint schemes as well, so two of these will be in, well, one of them will be in a race like Daytona. Like I said, one of each number in a race. The paint schemes will be changed up, flopped here and there. So, and I'll do qualifying, and I'll let you know which driver wins the qualifying and stuff. Oops. So yeah, that's it for my video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next for a future upload video and a future another YouTube video, I guess. And let me know in the comments if you want to see my NASCAR collection, Lego Ninjago collection, Cup Series NASCAR collection, Cup Series collection, 20, doesn't matter what year, really. I have at least almost all the years. And let me know if you want to see my 124 scale diecast collection as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you next time. Peace out.